Today I'm back with a brand new video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can play Fortnite, Battle Royale or Save the World on any device of your choice. Now most likely you're out there using an Android phone or like an Android tablet, or either you're using an iOS device such as an iPad or an iPhone. So no matter what device you're using, this has got you covered, and I do hope you guys go on to enjoy today's video. If you do, go ahead and leave a like rating down below and subscribe. That would truly mean a lot. Each like counts and it will truly help me out. So do that, as well as turning on post notifications to stay up to date with all of my future content that I upload to the channel. So kick back, relax, and without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright, so before we get into the tutorial itself, I just want to quickly explain what you will need. Now, starting off with the device that you're going to use, either your Android device or your iOS device, and then from there, today's video is about how you can connect via PC to play Fortnite. So you're going to need a PC or a laptop. Most PCs should be capable of running it fine. I've got a video on how you can do this on PS4 already. Go back a few uploads on my channel and you should find that. But to get into the first step of today's tutorial, you want to head over to the first link in the description down below to the Epic Games website. Now from there, click on download Fortnite, create an account if you haven't already got one, and then go ahead and click download Fortnite, and it will start it depending on your operating system. Today I'm using Windows obviously, and just go ahead and open the installer once it has downloaded and run through the process really quickly as I'll show you now. Click run, install, blah blah blah, and you will end up on this screen right here. Now this is basically where you set your download location, or your installation location I mean, and you sort of want to remember that, and I'll explain why later on. Now once you've done that, just go ahead and click on allow access if a firewall pop-up does show up. It's nothing dodgy, it's completely safe as it is an official application. Now once you've done that, go ahead and wait for the installer to begin downloading the Epic Games launcher. Now once it has downloaded, it should automatically open up. If not, just open it via the shortcut and sign in with the details you use on the website when you were downloading the installer. Now once you've logged in, go ahead and click on install Fortnite, go through the terms and conditions, and you're all set. Now the next step is to move over to the device that you're using. I'm going to start off by showing it on iOS first, and then I'm going to move on to showing you how you can do it on Android as well. The steps are basically the same. So on iOS, the first thing you want to do is open up the App Store and search the app called Remote R. Now it's basically like a sort of remote desktop connection application, but this is the application that you will see. Now just go ahead and click on it. This is the logo. You can check out all the ratings and reviews and all those kind of things if you want on the App Store. Just go ahead and download it and install it, and basically from there you can proceed to the next step. Now when you actually open the application, you're going to see this screen. Click continue twice and create an account if you haven't already got one. I'm going to go ahead and sign in as I already have one, and as you guys can see, it has already detected my PC, but it will not find yours just yet as we haven't got the client, and I'll show you how to do that at the later stage. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and move on to showing you how you can do this on Android. So once again, to download the Remote R application, you're going to go ahead and launch the App Store, which on Android is the Google Play Store. Now I'm going to go ahead and launch that right here, and the same exact steps, search for the application Remote R, and it is called Remote R Game Streaming on Android, as you guys can see right here. Now this is the same logo, everything's the same, it's just the different operating system. So go ahead and click into that, and go ahead and click install in order to have it downloaded onto your device, and then we can basically move on from there. I'm going to go ahead and install that right now. If you're wondering, I'm using an S8 Plus in today's video. Now once you open it, go ahead and log in once again, and that's basically it. Alright, so moving on to the PC side of things, what you want to do is head over to the second link in the description down below. It will take you to the official Remote R website, and it's basically pretty simple. It tells you how you can install it on different devices, etc, etc, but we already know we've got it on our Android or iOS device by this point, so install the Windows client right here. Now just go through the installation process, same as you did for the Epic Games launcher. It's really simple, it's a small application so it will not take up space. Click finish and launch it from the shortcut. Now once you actually open it up, it will show in your system tray in the bottom right hand corner of your taskbar. Open it and you will see the login screen. Log in with the same details as you did on your Android or iOS device, and it will start scanning your PC for all of the different games that you have as well as your applications. It's safe, don't worry. All it does is just basically finds the shortcuts. So from here you can go to the settings and disable it from launching at startup, which is something I have done as I don't want it activated every time I turn my PC on. Now that's all you really need to do on the Windows side of things at this point. Go back to your Android device or your iOS device and see if it has picked it up. It will detect your PC name. As you guys can see, it has found Bazzy PC and it has scanned a bunch of different games from my PC. Not all of them, but most of them. And yeah, so basically once it's done that, we go back to the PC to do the final step. Now from here, what you want to do is go to the Add Game button within Remote R, and you need to find the location of the Epic Games launcher. Now in my case, I've gone ahead and found that right now. As you guys can see, it's in my C drive under my program files x86. Now to actually find the path, you want to go to the Epic Games launcher desktop shortcut. Go ahead, right click on it and select properties, and within the shortcut tab it will tell you the target location. Now the target is what you want to actually look at, and you want to follow that file path in the actual Remote R application on your PC. And once you've done that, find the exe for Epic Games Launcher and click add. Now from here, go back to your device, and as you guys see, I'm going to go into Bazzy PC from my iPhone over here, and it's also got all of the games that were there, but now it also has the Epic Games Launcher. Click into that and it should automatically launch it on your PC. You might see a small advert, it will close within a few seconds. Now as you guys see, it's mirroring what is on the PC right here, so that's pretty cool. Another cool feature in Remote R is that it allows you to sort of set up a custom gamepad and keyboard control, so you can do that. You can also connect a DualShock 4 controller or something like that if you want to, but I've got some on-screen controls just for the purpose of this video. Now go ahead and go through the Fortnite menus once you click launch, and it will take you to the screen right here as it would if you were playing it on your console or your PC. Now as you guys see, I'm launching into a solo game right now, and once it actually spawns me in, I'm here with the rest of the players and I can play from my phone. So as you guys can see, I'm using the on-screen controls, that's right, the on-screen gamepad, which I've added to mirror the WASD keys in joystick form, as well as the mouse control. And you can also add all the aiming buttons and inventory and map buttons, etc, etc. But I'm here with the basics just to show you guys how it's done. So I mean, yeah, that's basically all for today's video. Those were the steps. It might have got a bit confusing. Go back and watch through if you need to, and I really do hope you guys did